Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and I'm currently at Michael's right now because I want to get yarn for your Wednesday Addams sweater. So, you know, the black and white striped one. I'm gonna try and find some yarn at Michael's. I'm here right now, and I'll take you guys along. And this video will literally be me knitting the sweater and showing you guys the process. So let's get on. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using Impeccable for the Wednesday Addams sweater, and I'm going to be starting off my ribbing with 6mm needles, and then I'm going to change to 6.5 for the body, and I'm knitting it flat. And I think that's all the information I have. So let's get started. I also really don't know how many to cast on, but I literally just, when I cast on, I literally just measure it on me to see how wide it's going to be, and then I go based off that. So that's really it. I obviously know I need more than 40 stitches, so I just go based off stuff like that. So I'll tell you guys how many I do end up casting on. I know for another sweater I was working on, I casted on 90 stitches. I don't know if I'll need that many, but I don't know, I might cast on 90 again. We'll see. I'll tell you guys. Now let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm this far into the sweater. I started last night and I'm already this far. I started in the evening time, so I can finish this panel today, which is gonna be my goal. So I'm not even gonna talk anymore, so let's get it and see how far I get. Okay guys, I finished the front panel and it looks like this. Now I'm going to start on the back panel, and I want to get at least three stripes done, 3 sets of stripes. So that's however many rows. So that's it. Let's get it.
I'm watching you. What are you doing?
I was gonna steal it. I was gonna be like, ah!
Oh, he left.
Okay, guys. So last night I got this done. So I got 4 sets of stripes done, and now I only have 3.5 more stripes to do, and then I will be on the sleeve today. So the plan is to finish the back panel completely, of course, sew it up, start the sleeve, and then finish the sleeve, and maybe start on the other sleeve, so I could possibly be done tomorrow. So this will officially be day 2 of working on this sweater. So let's see how much I can get done. I literally met my goal yesterday with finishing the front panel and getting halfway done with the back panel. So I definitely know I'm finishing the back panel today. It's just about whether I will start on the second sleeve, because I will finish the first sleeve, but will I start on the second sleeve? I don't know. We will see. Let's get it. Okay guys, so I finished the color and I put it together obviously, and this is how it looks so far. And now I literally just have to do the sleeves, and that's gonna be easy because I did a small circumference, so it ends right here, so that's not a lot. Like my cardigan, it was like this much of sleeve, but so it's gonna be kind of fitted a little bit, but this is how it's turning out and I am obsessed with it. The collar is so perfect, the perfect length. It's not like choking me and it's not too wide either. Beautiful. So let's continue. Okay guys, so last night I was like kind of distracted, so I didn't finish that one sleeve, but I did obviously start it. You guys saw it, and I'm almost done with it. I have this last stripe, and then I will start cinching for the ribbing, but this is how it looks so far. So I'm almost done with this set of stripes, and then I will be basically almost done with it. So we're still on track. Even though I didn't finish the sleeve and start the other sleeve, I'm still finishing the sweater today. Either way, so let's get started and finish it today. Let's get it. Okay guys, so I finished one sleeve and now it's time to work on this sleeve, and hopefully I finish it. If I don't finish it, I will definitely get 3 sets of stripes done, but I'm really just trying to finish it so I can take a break. My wrist killing me, so let's just hope I finish today. Let's get it. Guys, I did it. I finished it. It is 9:58 and my sweater is complete. So this took 3 days. This is the 3rd day. I thought it would take 5 days, but I was on turbo mode and I was like, I'm getting this done. I was rushing because I wanted to get Enid's sweater done, because I bought yarn to do Enid's sweater, and I wanted to get that done before the new year, but I was like, what's the rush? I can give my wrist a break and chill. I already knitted a cardigan, a top, a skirt, and a sweater. That's good enough for me. So yeah, that's fun. Anyway, that's what I did. Well, I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, that's it, and I will show you guys. I'll put it on tomorrow or the next day because I'll be busy tomorrow, so I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll show you guys later how it looks, even though this anyway, I'll show you guys later. So that's it. I'm just happy I finished. Anyway, see you guys. Okay guys, I finished the top and this is how it turned out. OMG. It turned out exactly how I wanted it. Sleeves, perfect. Collar, perfect. Length, perfect. Width, perfect. Are you kidding me?
Height.
I am obsessed. I am literally obsessed. And then I think it's so crazy that I just freehanded it as well. So I didn't follow a pattern. I didn't do anything. I literally just used my brain and figured out how to make this masterpiece. And I am obsessed with it. And I can't wait to actually make more. Because who is that?
Yuri.
Because I'm in love with it. I am so in love with it, and it turned out exactly how I wanted it. I was scared because I was like, is it gonna be like, I was scared for the sleeves because I was like, is it gonna be too big? Because I didn't want it too big and I didn't want it tight. I don't know. I was just kind of like, oh my gosh, my battery's about to die. Why is my battery always dying? Anyway, so I love how it turned out, and I can't wait to make more. That's literally all I have to say. And I'm gonna take pictures and I'll put them at the end of this video for you guys to see, and then that'll be it. Okay, my battery actually did die, so now I don't have to rush, even though this was literally just gonna be the outro. Anyway, that's all I had to say anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!